Yon guys, kalilis lang natin, no? And may mail call tayo dumating. And ito na, hawak na natin. Okay, dumating na ang ating Sedan. Set 5 na tayo. Bubuksan na natin to, no? Asa atin to, tapos meron tayong box break. Gagawin naman natin sa WTC later. So, later siguro. Later. Kung namang date ko to mailabas. So, today is March 20. Okay, ito yung personal ng ating case. Bubuksan ko to. Tapos sa WTC yung pinabox break natin. 80 slot yung kinuha ng ating mga clashers na mga classmates. Okay? So, tara! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Ito na guys, no? Pasensya na yung background natin, medyo maingay kasi ginawa natin ng umaga to. Kung pagkakuha natin, hindi na natin palalagpasin itong minuto, itong oras para i-unbox. No toothbrush, no kain, no ligo, lahat. Let's go! Okay, mga yung kanina sa intro video natin, intro. Medyo bagong, hindi medyo, talagang bagong gising tayo, no? Amin lang tubig, tapos unbox na natin to, okay? Happy hour, truly happy hour. Sana lang meron tayong sub sandwich, no? Kasi wala. Anyway, buksan na natin to. Excited na ako kung ano meron dito. Although meron tayong idea ano yung mga cards sa kailangan natin, pero gusto ko makita muna ano ang makukuha natin dito sa set na to. Let's go guys! Okay, ready na natin gunting cutter. Cutter para saan? Kasi isang case to. Buksan natin. Buksan na natin. Nakita yung narinig nyo ba yung mga sasakyan dumadaan? Nasa baba tayo ng bahay. At ating kahit medyo maingay, tinira na natin. Bakit? Ganyan talaga. Ayan, siyempre, box within the box. Ganyan talaga lagi ang ating PR kit. Ayun. Tama natin yan. Para recycle pa natin yung mga box na yan. Ito na yung pinaka box para safe for merchandise. Hopefully nandito yung mga rare cards, mga special card kagaya ng X-ray, mga gold, mga ganyan. So medyo matagal tong video na to kasi isa-isa natin some of the cards, hindi naman lahat, pero first natin makikita to kaya dito alam ko ano yung mga uy, meron isang lukot, isang tama. Sana wag tama yung buti sa atin. Ang ganda ng box, ganda ng box. Okay. Yan, ang ganda ng box. Ang ganda. Wala guys. Okay. 8 yan, dalawa pa. Dalawa. Ganda ng box niya, love the color, violet and white. Favorite color natin yan. Okay. Of course, the manual. Tapos, meron tayong ano natin, ito yung walo. Battle natin yan kung sino man nalo sa pero wala pang pricing hindi pa naman natin mga battle yan pero sino yung pinakagusto ko. Then meron tayong dalawang what you call this, champion card. Hope makakaw tayo maganda. Tapos yung mga contender, bago na lang natin to. By the way, abangan nyo yung mga announcement ng mga tournament sa Alpha Clash, grabe yung magiging mga prizes na parating na tournament sa atin, kaya abangan guys, sa mga hindi pa nag-Alpha Clash, alamin nyo na. Tignan natin, para makita natin to. Oy, si Paul. Ang ganda ng championship Paul, si Paul ang nakuha natin. Si Paul. Okay. Gusto ko makita yung clarity, kasi yung clarity is double-sided, okay, Aster, maganda yung Aster, maangas, yung mga contender to, sana yung Aster sa clarity makuha natin. Ayun, Aster nakuha natin. Aster. Yung clarity na lang gusto kong makuha. 5 to si Paul, si Aster, si dito. Ganda pula yung nila, letter nila ngayon. Saka sino Avenging Guy, Major Dean, sino nami-miss ko isa. 5 yan. Okay, kumuta ko isa kung sino. Anyway, mamaya mahal natin yan. So ito yung nakuha nating case topper. So So meron pa tayong tatlong missing, no? I think makukuha natin yon. Dali, hintayin nyo ako kung yung sleeves natin, okay? Wait lang. Okay, nakuha ko na yung sleeves natin. Pasensya na, pinuso ko ng konti. Siyempre, ang sleeves natin dapat Sansi King. Kaya Sansi King yung bili niya, ha? Okay, so ito na. Save na natin siya. Kasi may pressure rin ito kahit pa. Ang ganda niya, kulay pula, oh. Kulay pula nga yung print. Ang ganda actually. Ang ganda ng championship card na to. Kukolektarin natin yung kaganda set 4 na kompleto natin. So, we're missing for 2. Dalawa pa. Ay, tatlo pa. Si Avenging Guy, Clarity, Major Dean. Sino yung isa? 5 yan eh. Kalimutan ko yun. Mamaya maalala ko yan. Tago muna natin to. No? Tapos, ino na natin yung first box natin. Tingnan natin kung sino yung pinakamagandang mapupull natin. Pero syempre, hindi pa na alam kung sino yan. Ito yung box number 1. Although, hindi pa natin sila kilala kung sino sila. Wala pa tayong idea magkano ang presyo nito. Pero isa-isa natin, i-walk through natin yung mga makukuha natin dito. Sayang sira, oh. Pero anyway, marami mong tayong box dyan. Okay. Sana maayos yung card, wala sana nalukot. Mukhang okay naman yung cards. Mukhang okay naman. Okay, let's go. Box number 1. Ano kaya meron dito? Tingnan natin kung ano. Uy! Oo nga, tama. May isang contender pa pala rito na boss of champion. Yung pre-release contender. Ito, pamata natin yung isa, no? Okay, yung isang contender. Sino kaya? Siya... Paul Ule. Ito yung pinagkaiba ng championship. Diba? Mas maganda. Kasi yung shield nila hindi masyadong kita na. Dati kasi kitang-kita eh. Pero ito, kita kasi pula. So, ito siya, yung isa, no? Medyo hindi, okay na rin, pero, ano pa natin yan? Tingnan natin. Okay. So, 8. 10 to. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Tingnan natin kung ano makukuha natin, ha? Hindi ko matanda kasi yung isang contender, 5 yan eh. Avenging Guy, Clarity, Major Dean, Avenging Guy, tama, Avenging Guy, Major Dean, Clarity, Paul sa Caster. Ayun, Avenging Guy pala. Okay. Hoy, bago to. Ano to? Box number 1. Pack number 1. Ayan. Compounding interest. Common card. Double the number of counters of target non-relic card. Pwede, oh. Pwede. Kihiben to. Oy, Rizlock. Sweep. Mauler. Diba? 3 to cast, 3 to. If the portal is open, you may send target face down card to your accessory zone to Oblivion Obsidu. This card can plus 2. Paano raw? You may send a face down card from your accessory zone. So nagpapamsa, papatay siya ng ng nakaset, no? Naka face down, mga ambush, no? Tapos lalaki siya, okay? So combo to kay Kikurong yata, pwede, no? Yung bagong legendary. Okay. And then ito, pinakita na to, no? Nakita na natin to sa mga spoiler, yung Portal 2 cards, reveal top card deck, then send Oblivion, then prevent X damage initial cost. Okay, itong shield na to. Malakas siya. Okay. Cowling Demon Slayer, 5 to cost, 5 for 5. If the portal is open, you may active it. If you do, plus some discard. So nagiging 5-6 siya, no? Si Cowling. Walang magandang card pa si Cowling. Ricochet Arrow. Okay, basic. Deals 2 damage. Control. Okay. Medyo okay siya. Deals 2 damage to target class card you don't control. Then, if you control a class ground, deal 2 damage to another target. Okay, so bali another. So, dalawa naging target niya para sa balang 4 damage sa dalawang clash na 3 to cast, no? Badge, nakita na natin ito. Ay, nag-magic ba tayo? Hindi. Okay, yun natin. Okay. Limutan ko. Badge. Okay, alam natin yan. Counter, attach. Attach a contender weapon. You control. If you do 2 damage to target attacking class card and it lost life, it cannot gain flight until end of turn. Parang buff, no? Parang buff siya. Ito, nakatanan natin to, no? Itong common card na to, no? Yun yung grenade ni Weber. Sana mapalakas si Weber. Okay, oy, foil na ano, foil na wrist lock, no? Ay, na-slip away yung quick. Ito yung you may put target. Ang ganda ng foiling nila ngayon, no? Grabe, no? Ganda ng foiling, no? Sabi ito, you may put discarded clash with an ambush you control initial resource 2 or less at the back of your accessory zone face down. Less back in your accessory zone face down. If you do, you may ready up to 2. Oh, pwede, no? Magbabalik ka ng ano, na may ambush na cost ng 2 or less sa accessory zone mo face down. Tapos magre-ready ka ng up to resource after 2 resource you control. Malakas to. Blue siya, no? So parang blue black na talaga si Krung. Okay, yung pinakakauna nating hit ba or miss sa equilibrium, sa set 5, ito yung pinakauna. Sana makahit muna tayo una. Foil yung rare, usually set 3 epic yung makukuha, no? Hit. So tingnan natin kung hit to. Uncommon, hindi siya hit. Okay, itong Cowling, ano to? Pierce, ayan, Polyax, ano ba yan? 1, tapos attach class card, attach class card plus 1 counter attack. If this card attached to a class card, you may send it to Biblion. If you do, magkaka super speed. Okay, not that good for me, no? Pero tingnan natin, ito yung mga foil natin, no? Sa 1, okay? Tapos pack number 2. Sorry guys, medyo mabagal, maya unti-unti bibilisan natin to. Pero medyo ano kasi, natutuwa ako dun sa mga cards kaya binabasa natin. Ito natin to sa ano, sa spoiler, no. Huwag natin silang masyadong isa-isahin pa talaga. Pero yung mga nakita bago lang, medyo ano natin, medyo basahin natin. Ito yung Medal of Honor. Ito ba parang hindi pinakita to, no, sa spoiler. Whenever opposing class card is defeated, you may engage this card. While this card is engaged, Alpha Hunters and Rogue class card get okay, so lumalaki lang siya, no. Ito pinakita rin to, no, si Major D, no. Malakas ba to? Anyway, Weber calling for backup, bago to, common card. You may reveal a top card of your deck. If you do, choose a Alpha Hunter class card with initial source of 3 or more and put it among them into your hand. Put the remaining cards on the bottom deck. Okay, ito naghahanap, oh. Parang wrist lock siya, parang morak siya, di ba? Okay, good stuff para sa ano. Oy, si Cherry Bomb, ito yung bop, no. Ito yung Cherry Bomb, ito yung Pinay na character na lalabas sa contender eventually, okay. Okay, no. You may play this card if it's red. Target class card you control get trigger defeat deals the damage to attacking or defending class card. Okay, good siya. Okay, kung basahin masyado mahaba. Paul serving a tray. Okay, si Paul dahil yung lumalabas, oh. Malakas to sa yung seto niya, oh. Si Paul uli, oh, at your service. Kung natin basahin, medyo matagal, sobrang tatagal, no, mahaba yung word. Okay, rare natin is strategic retaliation. Ano to? If the portal is open, put Alpha Hunter class card with an initial source of 2 or less from 2 or less from your Oblivion into play engage. Pwede, no? Trap card siya. Counterplay. If the portal is closed, target Alpha Hunter class card with a weapon attached cannot be sent to Oblivion this turn. Pwede na, okay. Okay. Hit ba? Common green, ano to? Avenging Guy, taking aim. During your primary phase, you may engage this card. If you do, class card, you plus 1 dito. Parang meron siya ng ganito. O yung isa yon, tutukas. Ito 1 tukas, 0-1 yun. Okay, whatever. Wala tayong masyadong hit pa rito na, I think wala pa tayong hit, no? Kasi rare and uncommon pa yung nakukuha natin. Maybe sa third pack baka makahit tayo. Hopefully. Hopefully. Hindi natin ang Avenging Guy. Okay. Vengeance. Ito yung kanyang class buff. If you contender na rogue, no, green. Target attacking clash card, contender clash card get +2/+1 till end of turn. If the target deals to a contender, draw card. Oh, pwede to, malakas to, no? Okay to, buff na to. The Bean, okay, ang galing, no? Kay Mystic, no? Enter, distract target ready class card control. Class card cannot obstruct the next attack this turn. Obstruct the next attack this turn. Hindi makaka-obstruct. Okay, bagong ability. Moxie Iron Valkyrie, tutukas na 1 red. Trigger enter if you control Edward's contender or clash card. You may create 1 batch token. Okay. Attack if you control a Weber contender, ganoon siya ng token ulit. Okay. Okay, yung ginagawa niya. Aster, textless Aster, oh. 4 drop 4/5, not bad, no? Okay. Ano to? CERN reactor. If you have 1 or more ready resource at the end of turn, you may ready 1 resource. Pwede. Okay. On defense, clarity. Acutely aware. Look at the top card of target decks. If you do, you may put that card on the board. Okay, pan-disrupt. 1 to cast 1 drop. Pwede na. Okay. Pang ano niya, pag nakakuha siya ng keycard ng top deck niya, pwede mong ilalim sa ilalim, no? Lagi sa ilalim. Avenging Guy, ang dami ng Avenging Guy ngayon, no? 4 to cast na 3/3. Whenever a class card enter under play you control, target upon diminish 2 card. If that class ground control contender upon to oblivion to your hand. Yan, tingnan natin kung okay to. Pero mukhang hindi. Oh, ito yun, nasa na rin to. Na-review na rin to. Huwag na natin itong basahin to. Rare. First battle, bago to, ah. Class card get close combat. Class card you control, trigger victory, may send class card, target class card. Oh, medyo okay to. Class card you control. Malakas to. Class card get close combat pati sa kalaban. Ito, okay to, malakas to. Okay, and then, hit ba tayo ngayon? Uncommon pa rin, white. Okay, clarity card. Oh, may kotse na siya. Class card you control, get +1 while obstructing. If you would diminish any cards, diminish as many -1 step. Paano? If you diminish any number of cards, diminish that many -1 instead. Bawas ang isa. Kung diminish 1, diminish 0. Panlaban killing. Okay? Tignan ako natin. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pero pang 4 pa lang to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Guys, medyo matagal. Gawin ko na lang. Buksan ko muna lahat. Tapos fast forward ko. Ha? Wait lang. Okay, ginawa ko na yun para dire-diretso na tayo, no? Ang tagal pagpasa-isa. So at least bukas tayo ng bukas. So continue tayo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So apat pa na bukas natin doon sa box number 1 natin na to. And then ito yung 6 pa. So buksan natin. Okay. Ito na, sleep na rin natin to. I think na review na rin to, no? 1 to cast pero walang required na color. Kaya kahit saan pwede ito. Ito yung You may play this card kung contender is white. Pang white lang siya. Prevent the next 2 damage will be dealt to the contender or clash card. You may draw. Pag white ginamit mo, plus 1. Okay. Rooftop roll. Ito yun. Ang ginagawa niya. You may play prevent the next 3 damage will be dealt to target clash card or contender clash card you control this turn. If you control clash ground, you may draw card. Diba? Pwede, no? Kasi 3 to cast. Parang victory pick, you may draw card. Puro ano, puro avenging kayo nakuha natin, no? Hoy, pestilence, oh. Ito yung una itong pestilence, oh. Grabe, 5 to cast, 4 put. X toxic counter on each relic you control, where X is the number of pestilence card you control. Each. Paano ko makita? Oh, avenging kayo, practicing, oh. Diba? This class card, if this class obstruct, gets -3 until end of turn. O, si Paul. Text test na Paul. Tutukas 1-3. Okay. Na magic pack ba natin to? Parang hindi. Magic pack natin. Obstruct. Basic. Target. Earth. Crash card you control. Obstruct. Ano? Cannot obstruct. Cannot attack or obstruct until the next start of your next turn. Cannot obstruct. Pwede sa kalaban, ha? Pwede sa kalaban, tama. Uy! Ito yung isang reanimate, oh. Ganda ng art, no? Return target class card with an initial resource of 1 from Oblivion to play. Pwede. If that card was played from your Oblivion, return a target class card with an initial resource of 3 or more to Oblivion to your hand. Pwede. Pwede, no? Collect target class card initial course 1 or less. If this class card play from sa Oblivion play ito. Meron tayong siguro mga card na nagpe-play sa Oblivion, no? Anyway, rare natin is hoy, si Turk ba to? O si Turk to? Reckless Abandon. 3 to card exclusive relic. At the start of your turn, banish a top card of your deck. You may play that card from the banish zone until the end of turn. That card costs less 1 specific resource to play for each of your contender's color. Pwede kung to color contender mo, dalawa less nya, no? Nang tinatawag natin na ano tawag dun sa cost? Specific cost, no? Specific resource. Sorry, nabubul tayo. Now, tingnan natin kung ito. Kung pang-apat ba, pang-5 ba? 2, 4. Yung pang-6 ba nakuha natin? 2, 4, 6. Pang-4 pala. 2, 4, 6. Tama, 6 pa to eh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 3 pa pala nabubuksan natin, no? 3 pa lang. Okay, yung pang-4 ba makakahit? Common block, wala pa rin. Uy, ganda nito. Uy, X3 to. X3 ba to? Oh, X3 card to. I think nakita tayo ng X3 card. X3 card to. Oh. Yata, no? Hindi natin alam. Pero tingnan natin kung makakuha tayo ng ano. Common card lang naman to, oh. Kung gantong deflating na anong kulay. Pero ito parang X3 card to. Nice one. We have an X3 card. Okay. Common card siya. Buff siya. You may only play this card if contender is black. Target class card get -1/-1 until end of turn. If black is used to discard, then class card additional -2/-2 para na PST. If that card is defeated, then draw card. Okay. I think this is an X-ray card, no? I think X-ray card to. So to make it sure, ilagay natin sa sa sleeves. Pero meron kasing ganyang art eh. Anyway, makita natin kung may ganitong art, tago natin siya kung this is a next try card. Okay. Tago na natin para just to make sure, no? So, bubukas pa naman tayo. Baka may common card na hindi ganito. So, isabihin, kung may deflating na. Kasi gold eh, oh. Oh, yeah, I think this is an X-ray card. Kasi kung common lang siya, dapat white lang siya eh. Gold to, so this is an X-ray card. So we have a hit, okay? Grabe, ang ganda, buta hindi yung blue. Okay, nice one, nice one. I think dito natin lagay yung hit, no? So sa pack number 1, ano natin yan, unti-unti natin. Kasi sumasamayan natin. Saka to. Yung hit lang nakikita natin, ilalagay natin. So pang pack number 5. Let's see. Magic pack uli. Ganda na extra card, no? I think extra yung kasi gold eh. Anyway, dami. Oh, Texas na naman, oh. Weber. Ba, si Weber naka-armor na rin. Oh, diba? Portocas 3-5, not bad. Sino to? I'm out. Si Dean. Major Dean. Mahaba. Saan ating basahin yan? Okay? Oh, diba? We have an X-ray card. X-ray card. Nice one. Nice one. Nice hit. Nice hit. Nice hit. Okay. Magic pack ba natin to? Hindi yata na naman. Nakakalimutan naman natin yung magic pack, no? Remote detonation. Si Weber na naman. Green na naman to. Send target. Non-token accessory. You control to Oblivion. If you do, send target attach weapon to Oblivion. Ba, pwede. Si Paul na naman. So you want a writer. Sino to? Paul pursuing his dream. Ba, puro si Paul. During your primary phase, you may send a crash card weapon. Attach weapon you control to Oblivion. If you do, alpha class control get to recovery until end of turn. Hindi ko sana gusto. Oy, ganda ng forma ni War dito. Grabe. War Sash. May sash na rin siya. During your primary, the first time you may attach a javelin to contender weapon, reduce attach cost by 1 for each javelin card accessories in your accessory zone with a different name. Aba, nababawas attach na. Anyway, ang rare natin is, oy, hindi pala rare, Epic Blue. Shit, naano ko na pala. Uy, Aster, ang ganda. Nice one. Gusto ko to. Okay, ganda, oh. Epic siya. Epic Blue. Okay, 3 to cast. Trigger defeat. Observant. Trigger defeat. If the portal is open, you may put a class ground from your hand into play with an initial resource equal to the number of resources you control. Huh? Less than or equal to the number of resource. Kung ilang resource mo. Kung 10 o 5 pababa. During your opponent's turn, the first class card they play get observant. Malakas to. 3 drop na 3 drop na 4-4. Good card to for me. Good card to. 3 drop lang eh. Tapos mapagbaba ka pa ng libre ng ng class ground pag namatay siya, na-defeat siya. Tapos 4-4, 3 drop 4-4. Not bad. Mukhang magandang maganda tong set 5 Okay X-ray. Saka yung epic na Aster. Good. So pang-5 natin. 5 ba to? 5, yes. 6. Sorry, 6. So magic pack rin natin. Rebound. Ano to? Buff. Basic, no? Return target. Engage class card to concern. Sayang, hindi pa naging hindi pa naging quick, no? Basic lang. Pero anyway. Okay, 1 to cast. Trap card. Ito, nakikita natin gandang art ito. Silin. Engage target class card with a bounty counter. If you do, that may diminish a card. O, bago diminisher. Haven. Dadalagan sa Haven. Lumalaki na siya. 1 to cast. You may return this card to your hand. If you do, ready 1 resource you control. Aba, pwede. O, ito yung point creation. Creation. Haba. Saan natin basahin yan? Oy, 0. Final breath. Final breath. You may play this class card from your Oblivion by paying initial cost plus 1. If that card is played this way, if this card played banish it in the turn, end of turn, banish that card. Ano yan? Ang gamit niya. You may play a card from pwede siyang play ng card from Oblivion. Ito yung combo nung reanimate, no? Combo to. Okay. Kasi white din siya. Hoy, ganda ng ng Warcry, oh. Grabe yung art nito, ang ganda ng art nito. 'Di ba? Exhaust, target exhaust card, lose exhaust. Obstruct, ba? Pwede to sa contender niya. Ayan, clarity card, nakita natin yan. Ang rare is piercing, nakita na natin to. And then, di pala rare to, no? Di pala rare, ito pala rare. Ayan, Weber, the opportunist. If class card deal damage sa contender, you may put accessories with initial resource cost 1 or less from play. If a weapon you control attached to a class card you don't control, this get +1/+1. Okay. Rare daw siya. Sige. 1 drop eh. And then, uncommon white. Okay, nakita natin pacify. Okay. Next, pampito. So, I think dalawa na, isang X-ray saka isang epic. Baka wala tayo makuha dito. Hindi alam kung ano ang rarity nitong nitong equilibrium, no? Ito yung may isang X-ray, oh, yung pinapakita sa preview, no. Okay, clarity sacrifice. Aba, mukhang sa atin basahin yan. Dami. Oh. Clarity textless, oh. 3 drop, not bad. Ito ang artwork. Avenging guy na naman sa araw. Si Paul nalugi. 1 to ka 0. Target player draw card. Then another player draw card. Okay ito, draw pareho. Sa gambit pwede. Uy! Kala ko yung kurong na na legendary. Kurong yun? Warmonger. Yan boss ba? Wala. This card costs 1 less, black 1 less if you control Bardaga Clash Ground. Okay. Nagiging 3 tokas na lang siya. Okay, trigger and enter other discarded, get +2 until end of turn. If the board is open and Bardaga Clash card, lose ability. Pwede na, malakas-lakas na to. Sana legendary. Common green. Yung ko practice siya. Okay, anyway. I think baka wala na to. Kasi nga doon sa dalawang na hit natin. Pero yung extra niya na lang kung ano eh. Gundo naman ito. Grabe naman art niya, no? Death's Crown. During your primary phase, you may send a class card to Oblivion. If you do, shuffle 3 class card from the different names from Oblivion to your deck. Pa pwede. Parang Feldon Skin. Kasi Feldon Skin lahatan. Okay. Ato natin to. Ito yung mozzarella. War. Aba, lahat sila may Texas na. Ang ganda ng art nito. Grabe. Hoy, si Paul. Nakita natin yan sa Nova. Ang ganda ng Nova. Parang anime na dating. Nova token. Okay, clarity. The empathy. Tutukas tutu. Ba, pwede. The next time target class card you control would be dealt non-damage. This turn you may engage this card. If you do, deals engage to this card instead. Okay. O nga, no? Kahit flight. Pwede niyang flight attack tapos niya. Okay, sa pull siya. Non-class damage pala. Boom, pwede. 'Di ba? Pwede. Oy, Conquest, ang ganda ng art nito. Textless 5 to cast 4/6. Rare? War na rare. Aba, bago to. Si War Catalysmic Executioner. Okay, War Minion class card get defeated 1 damage to target class card. If that class card was defeated 1 damage to another target. Wah, pwede, lakas. Pwede, 4/3. Pwede to, no? The next, hit pa ba? Common green. Ba, yung nakita natin kanina, no? Yung may plus X na, na toxic counter. Okay, let's do this again. Okay, sino to? Evasion, kaya natin basahin. Uy, Sonoro. Okay, Avenging Guy. Smoke Grenade. Ang galing ng drawing ito. Diba? Okay, si Paul, Contender. Si Avenging Guy. Target enter class card you control. Class card you control. Malakas ito. Trigger enter target class card you control. Pwede. O si Kagan, person may Kagan. Okay, send this card Oblivion. If you do, return target contender weapon within circle store less Oblivion to your hand. Okay, mabalik ako ng weapon ng babalik lang. Hoy! Ito yung Bad Omen. Nice, nakakawa tayo. Rare lang nang was ito, pero nakakuha tayo maganda to, no? Exclusive. If an opponent control would have draw outside the draw step. That player may only draw if he engage one resource of any color. Okay. Gusto ko to. 2 to cast na 2-3. Not bad. Exclusive lang nga pero okay na rin. And then, ano to? Hoy! Guys! Legendary Black! Bogum! Lord Kroom! Nice one! Bagong-bago! Grabe naman yan. Legendary. Saka epic. Saka extra card. Not bad. Not bad. Sa pack number 1. Meron tayo. Ay, ano ba yan? Gusto ko yan. Nice one. Oh, ito po. This is sa pinakamagandang card ngayon, no? Unrivaled na may ambush. Dual color blue-black. No, yan, no? Counterplay. If you play sa counterplay or counter attack, tatlo, labas siya. Pag nag-enter siya, send target engage class card to Oblivion, pumapatay pa. If that class card has an initial resource of 4 or more, you may put 1 discarded with an initial resource of 2 or less. Papasok ko pa nang bubuhay ka pa. Diba? Class card you control with ambush can active accessory zone as portal were open kahit close, parang bukas siya. If this card will send to Oblivion to accessory zone, shuffle it back into the deck instead, and the target player discard a card. Putang lakas ito. 4 trap na 4-3 na may ambush. Your mind, baby. Okay. Lakas. Sulit. Mukhang alam natin sila nalo, no? Unless may AR. Oy, silin, no? Best makina. Okay. Last pack. Tingnan natin. Okay, interception ba? Pwede. Put 1 bounty counter target class card you don't control. Pwede na. 1-2 drop. Okay. Si Zhao, ay bahala siya. Ito, nakita natin to, no? Oy, bago to, ah. Draw 2 card. If you do, discard 2 card. Each opponent discard a card. If they do, they draw card. Parang hindi siya nga ganang gusto. The beam, nakita natin. Oy, soul barrier. Play. Counterplay. If the portal is open, send target class card you control Oblivion. If you do, prevent the X damage, the X non-class damage with dealt, where X is the class card resources, and then you may set a trap from your hand. Diba? Pwede. Balik-balikan lang. Uy, ganda ng art nito. Forsaking Katatob. Okay. Class ground. The first time a class card is sent to Oblivion, no, that player may put a class card from the initial resource of 2 or less from Oblivion into play engage. Okay. Dami ng ano. 3 to cast, 1-3 earth. Other class card, basang lasero. Okay, plus 1. Deaths of Blade. Uy, may nakikita ako. AR ba to o ano? Hindi ko alam eh. Okay, ang haba. Death Blade, saan natin basahin yan? Tingnan natin to. O, diba? IR nga. O, buenas naman na unang pack na to. Aster. O, diba? Diba? O. Ano ba to? Common card ba to? Hindi. Hindi ko alam eh. An assessor of sort. Attach contender get once per turn during your primary phase. You may engage this card. Put 1 from your resource. Engage. If you do, take for nga ba without unrivaled. Pero ano siya, IR contender weapon. Hindi ko lang kung ano rarity niya. I think hindi ko lang kung common card siya, pero makita naman natin yan sa ano, sa parating kung ano siya, kung epic siya, mahirap. Pero grabe itong na-hit natin. Sa isang box, meron tayong AR, Legendary, Epic, saka X3 card. Just in one box ng PR kit. Okay? Sa box number 1 natin. Okay? Separate natin dito. Tingnan natin sino yung pinakamaganda na kuha natin. Pero 4 ang hit doon sa unang box. I think may nanalo na. Grabe siya. Second box natin. Okay, second box. Bibilisan natin dito, guys. Medyo matagal eh. No? Medyo matagal. So, bibilisan natin. So, tago ko na tong mga hindi masyadong ano, i-review pa natin yan. Lagyan na natin dito. Okay, pero yung apat na to, ito yung tingin kong hit. Lagyan na natin dyan. Ito, isa natin ito. Bilisan natin dito guys. Okay, clarity. Ito yung baltaran. Diyan, di ba? Okay, so dito ito. Okay, Paul. Ito yung clarity. Baltaran to. Basahin nyo ng review. Pero ano lang, stamp lang naman yan. Wala tayong problema dyan. Ito ngayon. Okay, pack number 1. Medyo mabilis na tayo ngayon. One box pa lang natin. Ayan, oh. Yung isa X-ray, di ba? Nakakuha X-ray. Gold na lang ang kulang natin. Saka ER. Yeah. Bisa natin to. Medyo, I think ito bago rin to. Ano ito na rin to kanina? Okay. Meron tayo kanina yan. Ito kanina white. White pala ng reanimator na to. Yeah. Okay, rare is, nakita na natin yan. Green uncommon. Okay, avenging guy. Trying avenging guy. Okay, next. Let's go. Nakita natin lahat yan eh. Ito, nakita natin yan. Nakita natin yan. Oy! Sayang, hindi foil na. Ganda yan, no? Nice. Saan natin yan. Okay. Ano rare? Ay, bago to. Anyway. Rare natin is... ayun, nakita na rin to. Epic White. Epic White. Epic White. Anong Epic White? Oy! Oy! From life to death. Gusto ko to. Lakas to eh. When you send a class card, you may send a class card you control from Oblivion. If you do, reduce 1 white for each specific color on that class card. You may send a class card you control from Oblivion. If you do, reduce 1 class card for each specific color on that class card. Ano yan? You may send a class card you control from Oblivion. If you do, reduce the cost of this. Mabawasan ang recourse niya. Ang specific course resource niya. Put target class card without unrival from Oblivion with an initial resource of cost of 5 or less into play, then banish this card. Malakas to. Reanimator. Black white. Boy na. Ano na? System go na. All system go. Okay. So gusto ko to. So then, una pa lang, hit na kagad. Then second. Okay, second. Natin natin yan. Nice one. Mukhang magaganda ang epic ng ngayon ng set 5 tara natin yan. Hoy, si Avenging Guy, no? Hoy, bago to Interdimension doorway, want to cast. You may active the portal. If you control an Alpha Astra contender, portal cannot be activated by opponent's card effect. Matindi. Pwede. Ang ganda, statue niya. Diba? Target. Intercept. Tapos, obstruct. If the portal was active this turn, you may active a portal. Okay. 3 drop. Ang rare, natanong natin to. Ang hit natin is common block, hindi siya hit. Pero ang ganda, soul barrier. Nakita naman natin to. Tutuka strap, nakita natin to. Okay. Next. Sa palang hit natin, ito pa lang. Okay. Pero maganda yung yung one, mukhang hindi makapantayan yun, no? May X-ray, saka may legendary. Ito yun, barrier na. Okay. Ito, nakita natin to sa mga review. Ito na, nakita natin yan. Okay, rare is Paul, True Servant. Ito yung sa pack. Okay. Next, Epic Blue, Nuli. Aba, pwede. Siya uli, no? Nakakuha tayo. Nakakadalawa na tayong Epic dito. Okay. Pero pack ba may may X-ray? Sana meron. Okay, dalawa na kuha natin yan. That's good. Kung marami yun, sana wag naman. Pero 3 drop, 4 tokas, not bad. Lakas yan. Especially sa Genesis. Siya na naman, Ito natin yan. Okay na rin yan. Rare. Oy! Meron naman tayo. Sana makakuha tayo rare ito. Paul ito. Common block. Oy, ganda, Shit, ang ganda. Love you, Death. Ganda, Ganda ng foil niya. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pan 6. Final breath. Parang feeling ko maganda yung set ng 5 ngayon ha. Pero don't get me wrong, di pa na nakita paano gumalaw, pero mukha naman. Okay, yan, nakita. Ito, bago to. Red class card, get enraged +1. During primary phase, you may engage this card if you discard and deal 1 damage to target class card you control. Target class you control. Alam, di ba palaki? Okay. Cards card, okay. Uy, ganda ng drawing nito. Banking Slimoxy. Diba? 3 to cast, 2-3. You may send target weapon you control to be if you do draw a card. Okay. Ito na. Nakita natin to. Okay, okay rin to. Common block. Okay. Sino ka man? Parang bandido. Okay, last 3. Sa box number 2. Mozzarella. Ito yung wrist lock. Unang natin. Creation. Ito natin to. Negating. Major Din, contender. Okay. Ito natin yan. Oy! Foil! Nice one. Bad omen. Ano ba? Na magic pa ko ba? Oh, na magic pa ko. Nice one. Gusto ko to. Kasama seat yan. Kasama yan. Ganda yan. Tapos common block. Okay, I'm out. Goods to. Kahit na clear lang siya. Pero bad omen na foil. Sama natin yan. Okay. Next pack. Hoy, may baliktaran. Mayroong clarity. Itang kita. Cherry bomb. Okay. Ano naman siya? Ito may extra yun. Baliktaran. Okay, bago to. Check out my ramp. Put a card from your hand to your resource zone. Parang nag-haven ka ng ano. Hindi pwedeng ano, hindi siya sharpshooter. Okay. Po counter play. Remove up to 2 collection counter from the target relic you control. Return target class card with resource of 3 or less from your hand to play to owner's hand. Okay, pwede. Okay. Rare is foil. Okay, bullseye. Okay. Next. Uncommon red. Okay, yung people. Not bad. Ganda ng drawing ito. Sino mang drawing ito? Paddy Green? Si Paddy Green, ganda ng drawing mo, Paddy Green. Appreciate ko yung drawing mo. 9 pack. 9 pack. As of now, leading pa rin si Juan. Hindi ko pa nakuha yung sa pang clarity yung epic yata yun eh, yung pumapatay ng class card. Okay. Ato natin ito eh. Ako na rin yan. Okay. Rare is Cherry Bomb. Cherry Bomb Explosive Entrance. Bago to. Portocast 3-3. You may discard a card. If you do, create one red Nova relic accessories token and deal damage to target class card equal to the initial resource of discarded sway. If that target has trigger defeat effect, you may draw 1 card. Okay. Next one to. Common na naman. Medal of Honor. Okay. Last one. Pang 10. Sa pack number 2. Sa box number 2. Okay, deplete, no? Ganda ang deplete na, extra, ganda na extra. Para mas maganda siya kaysa gold, no? So, effect niya. Ayun, Major Din. Defender of Freedom. Portocast for 3 target trigger enter. You may active the portal as long as you control 3 or more class card upon cannot activate portal until the start of turn. The start of your turn, if portal is closed, you may draw card. Okay. Card drawer, okay. Uncommon. Okay, at your service. Okay. So, definitely, talo tong box number 2 natin kasi grabe yung nakuha natin doon sa legendary pa lang nakurong. Goods na yun. No. Pero yan natin siya. Ilagay natin dito. Okay. Para mamaya ma-review natin yung mga na-hit natin isa-isa sa mga sa per box. Ito yung ano natin, yung box number 3. Okay. Lumabas na siya, si Aster. Aster mo natin ang ating box topper. Okay. Si Aster Batong Bakal. Okay, box number 3, pack number 1. Okay. Ito ulit natin. Let's go. Ayan, ito natin lahat yan. So, almost lahat naman siguro nakita na natin yung cards, no? Ito, bago to. Grappling arrow. Tutukas, trap. Counter attack. Return target class ground. Minister cost 2 or less from your oblivion to play. Okay. Yun lang siya. Kaya rin to. Ito yung medalya, no? Necklace pala. Di kagan. Hindi, ni Cowling. Cowling. Okay. For the hit, uncommon red. Ito yung sinakta natin. Okay. Wala. Sa 1. Baka na sa 2. Ang hanap natin. Okay. Neglect. Ano ba ginagawa na to? Whenever a class card is ready by effective control. Okay. Pwede in practice. The beam. Smoke grenade. Uy! Temple. Doon daw. Haba. Saka na. Okay. Uy! Ganun to. Home field advantage. Want to cast quick. Negate target. Negate the effect of target tracker being activate with cost of 3 or greater. Then send to oblivion. Pwede to. Malakas to. Ang ganda ng art. Grabe. And then uncommon block. Uy, bago to. Compromise. Ano yan to? Each player look at the X card of their deck. Then each player may choose one card among them and put it on the top of their deck. Players put remaining cards into the oblivion. Diba? Pwede to okay, ito malakas to. Actually, pwede sa pwede sa mga tetawag natin mga diminisher. Okay. Haba. Ang haba. Dami pa natin. 3 pa lang tayo. Gusto natin. Hanapin na natin yung mga kailangan natin cards. Puto naman parang nakakita natin lahat na no? Hoy. Nakita natin sa review yun Anyway. Ano kaya to? Common card green. Okay. Yung motor dito yan. Yung motor. Okay. Amigos daw sabi ng anak ko. Kasi nag-start ng motor yung tito niya. Okay, ano to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, third na to. Wala pang hitay na kukuha rito. Rare. Okay, ito natin to. Okay rin to. Ayan na, epic block. Ito na ba yun? Yung clarity? Ito na ba yun? Ito na nga siya. Damn, napakaganda naman niya. Okay, ganda. Trigger defeat. Send another class card to it. Class card you control to oblivion. Send another target class card. Okay, during your primary phase, you may engage this card if you do some target class card to oblivion. Ganda, 3 to cast. During your primary, engage mo lang siya. So, pag natipid siya, magsasend ka. Kung siya lang, walang problema. Kasi, wala ka nang sesend. No? Lakas nito. Para kang deliverance sa block. So then, ito yung unang hit sa box number 3. Hindi natin masusundan pa yan ng mga hit. Okay. Ato natin yan. Ayan. Tapos na rin yan. Okay. Uy, bago to. Death, Queen of the Dark. 6 to cast, 4/4. Applied. For each Death class card from Oblivion in different name, we may reduce 1. Pwede. No? Ganda. Okay. Prayer is Death Blade. Nakita na natin to, no? Pwede yung Death, pwede clarity or Death, galing. Uncommon. Uy, Death Touch. Ano to? Take control of target class card with necessary resource of 2 or less until end of turn. Take control. If that card was played, if this card was played in Oblivion, target contender lose 1 health and the contender wins 1. Lakas ito. Take control. But take control. Galing. Pwede. Magko-control siya, no? Tapos, kung may blocker siya, kontrolin mo yung pang-block niya. Makaka-attack siya. Pati yun, makaka-attack. So, pwede rin mamatay yun. Kasi kung pwede mo siyang papatay, no? Kung gusto mo siyang papatay, nandiyo mo papatay doon sa... Kasi naka-ready. Para may attack mo doon sa malaki niya. Pwede. Okay, ito. Vanilla. Textless. Okay, nakita natin yan. Okay na rin yan. Okay na rin yan. Okay na rin yan. Uy! War Minion. Iba yung War Minion yan. Nakita na natin to. Okay na rin to. Rare. Okay. Black Rare. Di pa yung isang black na kailangan natin. No? Yung Bad Omen. Okay, next. Wala pa rin sa kalahati. Tatlo ba ito? Bali yung bubuksan natin. Okay. Paul. Okay. Ito natin yan. Ito statue. Ito natin yan. Uy, bago to. Always ready. 3 to cast. 2-3. Ready up to 1 resource you control that has used to play this turn. Ready up to 1 resource you control that was not used to play this card. Pang discipline lay. Okay. Okay na rin. Parang lumalabas. Tutukas lang siya. Rare is si Avenging Guy. And then common na white. Okay. Clarity suit. Okay, let's go. Sana makuha tayo isang extra. Ako gold naman. Gold naman ako natin. Ito, madaya ito. Malakas to. Diba? If you play from the resource, draw a card. Tapos tutukas. Pag si Awakening na, 1 tukas na lang siya. Si Genesis. Daya. Uy, bago to. Wrist Lock, Monstrous Defender. Blue. Blue na ambush. Okay to blue, you may pay 3. If you do, put this card from play from portals open instead of 2. O, dalawa. Parang wrist lock na Morak na version, no? Pero ang ginagawa niya, enter. You may have target effect. You may have target effect that targeted discarded class card you control target. Okay, so deflect. Para sa nito deflect siya. Okay. And then ang rare natin is Avenging Guy. Parang si Robin Hood, no? Tutukas na 2-3. If your opponent control a class ground, this card get trigger attack. Destruct target ready class card. Whenever this card deal damage to a contender, draw a card. Then put 1 card from your hand to attack or protect. Okay. Common white na naman. Okay. Yung kanina. In vision. Okay, kung isa lang dito Pag naman sana. Isa dalawa Dalawa ba to? Dalawa. Yung isa kasi rare Gusto ko lang yung rare kaya ako nilagay ito. Anyway, nakita natin lahat yan. Ito rin. Okay. Okay. IR red. IR na red. Pakita kagad. IR na red. Ano yan? Oy, Paul. Ano to? Doing his best. Parang common card yata. Ito uncommon, no? Hindi mo tandaan Target play. Trigger enter. Target play draw card and another play draw card. Parang uncommon yata ito, no? So, dalawa lang ang ating IR. Minsan ko lang kung rare or what siya. Pero to IR to. Okay, so medyo parang ang panalo rito for me. Hindi ko lang kung ano to Anyway, pero yung 1 pa rin naman yung natin leading dahil sobrang laki na nakuha doon. Yung legendary pa lang okay na. Sana maka-ER naman tayo, no? ER ang gusto ko. Okay, last pack. Sa box number 3. Rare. Ano rare? Ay, bago to. Shaolin Deadly Operative. Enter. If you control Shaolin class card, you may attach a weapon targeted rogue clash card you control without paying sa touch cost. Okay. Yun lang. Ang hina ng card ni Lila Zhao pati ni Cowling. Green common. Okay, arrow. That's it for the box number 3. Okay, pa-number 4 na tayo. Nasa halfway na tayo. Okay. Gawin natin dyan. Mamaya, review natin lahat yan. Okay. Pack number 4. Let's go. Ayun, lumabas na si Paul. Paul na naman ang ano natin. Ang contender. Okay, Paul contender. Yan. Number 1. Let's go. Halos lahat ng cards naman nakita na natin. Wala na tayong i-reviewin pa isa-isa, no? So matagal na yung video natin. Ito, bago to. Alpha Astra Laboratory Tritocast. If the portal is open, whenever the accessory enters play, you may engage this card. If you do, search for a deck for an accessory with an initial resource of less than or equal to that accessory entering from play and put it in your hand and shuffle your deck. When this card leaves to control, Astar, put this card from the resource pool. Okay. When this card leaves, if you control Alpha Astar, put this card into your resource zone engage. Okay. Magiging resource siya. Common card white. Uy! Common, uncommon. Pwede reanimator. Gusto ko to. Okay. Ganyan ka muna. Ganyan ang pagkakano niya. Pagkaka-foil niya. Okay. Dalawang IR pa nakikita natin. Sana makuha nila ng IR. Okay. Rare. Ito ang ganda. Alpha Astor. Intergalactic Titan. Exclusive. If portal is open, draw one card. This effect trigger only once per turn. Trigger portal. Okay. Pag trigger yung portal, draw ka ng card. Defeated. Ready to. Pwede malakas. Trade drop. Goods to. Mga gamit to. Malakas to. Rare block. O yun uli. Yung ano. Hindi pa naging si ano. Si Clarity na. Sayang. So anyway. Kaya pa naman yan. Let's go. Okay, for the rare card. Okay, O factor. Sige, okay lang yan. Common green. Baiting. Diyan ka, baiting. Apat pa lang tayo. Apat pa. Rare. Ay, bago to. Genesis. Maniacal Genius. 1 to cast, 1 drop na ano, 1/1. Once per turn during primacy, you may engage this card. If you do, put a card from your resource stone on the top of your deck. Mga balik. If you do, you may put a card from your hand. Okay, palit siya. Hand deck, okay. Common green, Avenging Guide. Okay, sana kayo. Mga magagandang epic at mga special card. Tapos naka-extra na tayo. Portal. Okay. Rare. Uy, Cherry Bomb na rare. Not bad. Okay, isa pa. Tanda mo naman please, Cherry Bomb. Common, uncommon. Okay. Pero malakas yung Cherry Bomb sa red. Kitork. Gagamit natin yan. Okay. Alright. Let's go. Dahil pa. Karate pa lang tayo guys. Oy, Lin. Bago to. Lin Green Measurement. Flight. Portocast na flight. Target upon the main 3 card. That player may engage a ready resource they control to negate this effect. Target player may engage a ready resource they control. Kara. Negate. Okay. Common green. Sila naman nagka-practice. Okay. Medyo mga hit ng una. Medyo lumalamig. Kailangan magpainit uli. Okay. And for the rare is amplifier. The portal's open. Okay. Whenever you discard a card, opponent card, effect, draw card. Whenever you, okay, on the discarder. Common green, okay, green arrow. Si John Wick, combine with green arrow. Yun yung role niya. Okay. Let's go. Bagong karakter ba yun? Ay, hindi. Ewan ko sino. Traglia yata yun eh. So, ito, ang ganda oh. Ano, nakita natin ito. Rare. Ayan, side. Meron tayong foil niyan. Epic Black. Sana yun uli. Yun uli ba? Ay, hindi si Trag. Ano to? Trag, Ugly Savager. 4-drop na 4-4. Trigger effect. Trigger defeat. Each player diminish 1 card. Once per turn during your permanent phase, if the portal is open, you may banish a class card from your oblivion. If you do, return discarded class card from your oblivion to your hand. If target class is ambush, you may set it face down to access on ready one resource from the one. Pwede. Lakas to, pangkikrong. Good yan, good. Good kikrong yan. No, malakas tong ano to, for me. Okay. I-diminish siya. Yan pa lang kukuha natin. Dalawa na lang. Okay. Dalawa na lang. Ano kaya ang papakita mo sa akin? Pull again. Saba. Ay, ano to? Hotel rooftop. 3. During primary phase, you may engage a pull. Class card you control. If you do, attach weapon with initial recourse to less class card you control. Okay. And then for the epic, okay no. It's a common card. Isa pa lang. Last one. Mukhang wala. Mukhang isa lang. Dapat dalawa. Ano ko ba tayo rito? Wala pa, di ba? Wala pa. Yan pa lang. Let's go. Ito sure epic to. Ay, bago to. Force Javelin. Bagong Javelin niya, no? Ni War. Attach. Contender, get 0+1. You may detach partial if you do engage. You may engage a class card you can War minion token till end of turn. Okay. This card cannot be attached. Can be attached only War. Epic na ito sigurado. O diba Epic Black? Si ano ulit? Sa Clarity. Ay hindi. Colonel Weber. 1 to cast. 1-2. Exclusive. Ang galing ah. You may attach a weapon with initial resource of 3 or less to a class card you control without paying casting cost. Class card you control with non-token weapon attached cannot be dealt non-class damage. Whenever a player return a class card you may play under their control from Oblivion. That player contender lost tool. Okay. Pwede ito, not bad. Pang counter. One lang oh. Pwede yan. Okay, dalawang block. Pero tingnan natin. Tagam natin kung magkano abutin yung presyo na yan. Ito yung sa number 4. Okay. Dalawa. Yung 1 pa rin talaga. Grabe, 4 yung nakuha natin. So, 3 na siya. Ito oh. IR, hindi ko alam kung anong IR to. Baka kung ano nito, common card, tapos legendary, meron pa siyang extra card saka epic card. Okay. Box number 5. Sino contender? Clarity uli. Wala pa tayong ano. Avenging Guy yung nakukuha. Avenging Guy na lang wala. Number 1. Let's go. Nakakita natin lahat halos. Yung rare lang siguro ang medyo hindi pa tayo nakakita ng ibang rare. Pero halos lahat nakita na natin. Oy, rare. Full na rare. Okay. And then for the uncommon. Okay, uncommon. Ito lang siya. Number 2 for pack number 5. Mozzarella. Rare. Bago to. Clarity Good Omen. Blood Omen may Good Omen. Puti naman siya, clarity siya. At the start of your draw step, name a card type. Card type. Then reveal the top card of your deck. If the reveal card is that card type, target class card gets safeguard until end of turn. That class card. Okay. Hindi ko lang. But anyway, common white. Yung ano niya. Yung kanyang, ay, tama ba? Oh, yung kanyang textless na common card. Okay. Let's go. Ano yung rare? Step away. Uncommon black. Detach. Okay. Next. So pang gold, wala pa tayong gold card, pero natin ang ito, nakita natin ito, meron nga tayong ano ito foil ito. Okay, common. Okay, never mind. Ako tayo IR na ano, IR na epic. Okay, rare. Nakita natin yan. Rare blue. Okay, rare blue. Rare blue. Okay, mag-clarity na naman tayo. Clarity. Rare in for the rare. Ito yung Zowli. Epic black. Class card, Bardaga. Sa Tragdo naman, mukhang ikaw ang pinakamaraming black na ano, na epic. Mukhang kayo na naman. Alam na natin. Anyway, maraming bibili niyan sa mga krung-krung. Let's see. Bago to Okay. Ito, bago rin to. Sa atin basahin. Haba. Ito, bago rin to. Sa atin basahin. Common white. Yung negating ganda. Okay. Last 3. Pasapak number 5. Mukhang sinagad na lahat dun sa ano sa number 1 Vale. Rare. Okay. Uncommon. Ganda. Last 2. Sa number 5. Rare. Okay, so atin basahin yan. White na naman. Last one. Ito epic na rin to. Sure ako epic to. Or hit to. Sure to. No doubt about it. Isa na nakuha natin Okay. Okay, ito gusto ko to. Isa lang? Klara, isa lang talo. Talo to guys, isa lang nakuha. Isa lang. Pangit. Si Trag pa nakuha. Isa lang nakuha rito. Talo tong sambak na to, number 5. Sigurado tayo dyan. To number 5. Loss. Isa lang. Ang hit. Okay. Or may na-miss ako. Anyway. Number 6. Last 2. Last 3 pala kasama to. Avenging Guy. Ayun. Nakakonta Avenging Guy. First time. Okay. 2 Paul, 2 Clarity, 1 Avenging Guy. So, 6 na. Okay. Medyo magulo pa tong card na to. Hindi ko lang kung gagamitin ko. Bago rin to. Morak the Devourer. 3 to cast 3 to na may ambush. If the portal is open, you may pay 3, 2. If you do, put this card from your accessory zone, then get plus X plus 0 where X equal initial resource target class ground into play. Okay. 247 you may pay 2 if you do put this card from okay, so lumalaki siya. And si Paul the Servant, True Servant. Epic Green. Ito yung Avenging Guy. Avenging Guy. Ano? Saving the day. Saving the day, parang hindi naman. 5 to cast, 4 at 4. Exclusive. If you control a class ground, this card gets trigger attack. If this card would be obstructed, the obstruction might stop. Lumelet. Accessories or action card you control with an arrow or roll to its name, less 1 to play. Okay. Avenging Guy. So, tingnan natin kung masusundan to. Mukhang sana masundan. Sana masundan yan. Simisan yung maglola sa likod natin. Ayan, narinig nyo. Simisan sila. O, diba? Maingay. Ito yung vlog tayo. Okay. Rare card. Oh, yung ganda, oh. Dalawa na yata yung rare natin ito, no? Parang ko ba nababasa to? If a touch contender is black, engage, trigger attack, engage, touch weapon, get necrotic, okay. If white, during primary position, engage a touch weapon. If you do, send target class card you control with this resource 5 or less oblivion. If you do, contender gains equals to this resource. Okay, yan na pala. Uncommon red. Okay. Hindi dinig kayo, baby. Hindi dinig kayo sa akin ni mama. Ang rare natin is Good Omen. And then ayar ba to? Green, common card, give and take. Okay. Meron palang ano, parang set 4, merong isang pack na isa lang ang ang epic, no? Kagaya nung number 5 natin. Rare. Ito rare. Okay, ngayon ito uncommon blue. Uy, X-ray ba to? Hindi siya X-ray. Ano lang siya? Foil lang siya. Mukha lang siya X-ray kasi for white siya. Gold ba yung name? Hindi gold yung name. Next. After this, dalawa na lang. Pang-anim na to. Rare card is Avenging Guy. Bullseye. And then, uncommon green na naman. Ito ko yan. Okay. Last 5 kasama to. Para sa box number 6. Oy! Ganda, foil. Common na naman. Okay. Isa pa lang siya. Sana may isa pa. Usually kasi dalawa eh. Unusual yung isa saka yung nakakatatlo or 4. Okay, let's go. Epic Black. Sabihin true na naman to. Quick. Epic Quick. Ano Epic Quick? From life to death. Nice one. Goods. Nice one. Gusto ko to. Meron tayong from death to life. This one is life to death. Nice. Medyo maganda to. Kasi ginagawa nito, health naman, no? You may reduce health of your contender by up to 4. If you do reduce this card, block each health reduced by its weight. Counter attack. Send target class card with an initial resource of 5 or less. If you do, send target class card with an initial resource of 5 or less you don't control to oblivion and then binds that card. Okay, pamatay. Okay, lakas niyan. Okay, next. go. Bago to. Ano yun, nakatawa na to. Ang ganda ng drawing ito. Astig. Okay. Uncommon blue. Shaven. Last 2. Last 2. Aster. Hoy. Hoy, legendary na naman. Hoy, yung hammer. Nice one. Nice one. Yung hammer nakuha natin, dalawang legendary. Gulat ako, dilaw eh, oh. Kala ko AR eh, legendary. Hawar hammer, no? Mahaba, sa atin basahin, pero malakas yan. Dalawang legendary nakuha natin, guys. Isang krung, saka yung Warhammer. Nice one. Okay. Makakapat ba to? Kung may extra ito, baka pumalag dun sa isa, no? Or kaya gold. Yun natin. Ang gold kasi yung mga prom eh. Okay. Cherry bomb. Common green. Okay. So ito yung nakuha natin sa box number 6, together with Avenging Guy na contender, legendary, epic. Okay. Not bad. Gusto ko yan. Siguro yung mga legendary nag-worth around 3k siguro na kagad yan. So kung dalawa na kagad, naka 6k na tayo. Bawi na. Major Dean na to. Yun na lang wala natin eh. Major Dean, oh, di ba? Major Dean. Okay, let's go Major Dean. Hoy! Wala na, oh. Kitang-kita na. AR na clarity. Not bad. Okay lang yan. Huwag lang magiging dalawa. Wala na tayong kitain dyan. Oh. 1 point. AR clarity. Pagbaltad mo pa lang, kitang-kita na eh. Wala nang laban. Ang ganda. Okay. Next. AR. Nakakatatlong AR na tayo. Tatlo na ba? Tatlo na. Rare. Okay. And then, for common block. Okay. Let's go. Oh, yun ulit. Foil. Foil na clarity. Ano to? Anyway. Yun yung hit eh. Kala ko dalawang IR eh. Hindi pala. Sabing may gold dito, okay, extra uli. Bakit hindi? Gold, okay. Uncommon white, conquest. Wala, isa pa yan. I think isa pa o dalawa. Makakuha pa tayo dyan. Kung may legendary, tatlo eh. Rare is Force Javelin. Oh, ito. Epic Block. Clarity, Death. Pwede na. Nice one. Ganyan na mga banat, di ba? Dalawa na nakuha natin. Gusto ko yan. Lakas to. From the Shadow. Okay. From the Shadow. Nice one. Dalawa na. Pero no doubt yung ano pa rin tayo, number 1 pa rin tayo ang naghahari ngayon, although pumapantay isa, no? Lumalaban. Common green. Uy! X-ray na naman. X-ray card. Dalawang X-ray card na tayo, no? Nice one. Dalawang X-ray card. Gusto ko yan. X-ray card. X-ray card. Nice one. May common din pala. Ano ba yung isa? Common din yung isa. X-ray card. Good one. Nice one. Gusto ko yan. Nice. Alright. Gold na lang ang kailangan natin. Saka ER. Sana naman Hit naman tayo ng AR sa PR kit. Di pa nakaka-hit. Uy, kala ko yung ano naman eh. Legendary. Anyway, uncommon white. Okay. Not bad. Tatlo siya. Magkano ito extra card na to? Siguro, hindi mo siguro kamahalan niya kasi para madami, no? So, sana ko konti lang para meron tayo. Hehe. At least meron tayo. Okay. For the rare is... Ay, foil na naman. Alam ko ng foil nito, no? Tapos... Common blue. Okay. Okay. Not bad. Gusto ba yan? Yan na ba yun? Huwag naman sana. More please. More please. Okay. Common block. Smoke grenade. Last one for the pack number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Huli na to. Ito na. Epic Black. Ba, may extra na. May ano pa. Epic Black. Ito uli. Trag uli. Edwards Earth. Ba, pwede na. Nakasaks naman yan eh. Okay. Edward Earth. Naka-apat din to. Kaso IR hindi siya ano. Hindi siya, wala siyang legendary. Kasi may legendary, oh. May legendary. May IR din. Hindi ko lang kung ito eh. Anyway. Maganda extra dito. The best. Last one. This is the last. This is the last. Sino kaya to? Edwards uli. I see Major din uli. First pack. First pack hit ba? First pack hit ba tayo? First pack hit ba? Okay. Uncommon. Okay, hindi. Hindi first pack hit. Second pack. Last 9 packs for the whole case. Rare. Okay. Common white. Okay. Sino naman siya? Napaka ko yung ano, yung nasa Judge C Clarity, no? O Judge card lang yun. Foil na rare. Bakit ang ganda. And for the hit, green. Common. Pangit. Lagyan mo natin yung rare dyan. Kailangan ko lang mga epic IR sa kayo mga special cards. Okay. Wala akong portal na foil na nakukuha pa. Okay. Common white. Okay. Last 6. Ano pa yan? Papatay na kukuha. Okay. Common white. Clarity ulit. That's 5. Ano ba yan? Sabing wala ka. Imposible yan. Pero ang ganda ng pack. Ang ganda ng mga ano, box ngayon. Pati ng pack. Ang ganda ng drawing. Game. Epic white. Sino ba epic white na natin? Epic white. May epic white tayo rito kanina eh. Anyway. Quick. Life from death to life. Okay. From life to death. Sandy gold. Pero anyway. Goods pa rin yan. Maganda yan. Gusto ko yan. Quick action. Isa na lang. Or dalawa. Let's see. Let's see. Wala naman. Common. Okay. Last 3. Last 3. Come on, last 3. Give us a bang. Yung matindi. Yung kagimbal-gimbal. Rare. Yan na. Good omen. Common white. Okay. Last 2. Huwag naman isa. Dalawa goods na. Huwag naman isa. Okay. Okay. And common. Okay. Last one. Ito na. Sure na ako kay epekto. Hindi pwedeng hindi. Hindi pwedeng hindi. Here we go. Sana ER gold o something. Okay, puti. Epic white. Yun uli. Siya uli. Hindi pwedeng siya uli. Zowli Earth. Okay. May pala ganito. The first time an unrelic accessory is played or set to accessory zone on your turn, Earth class card gets plus 1 whenever you active. Plus 2. The first time a non-relic accessories is played or set into accessory zone, Earth class card gets +1/+1 whenever you active a trap. Oh, malakas to. Goods to. Malakas to. First time makita na ni Zowli na 1 to kas 1 to. Okay to. Nice. Good catch yan. Okay guys, yun lang po muna. That's all. Ang manakuha natin, review natin sa box number 1. Ito, hindi ko lang kung nung rarity nito, pero naka-IR tayo. Ito, pinaka mas hinahanap yung chrome. Itong Astor, okay rin to. Saka yung X-ray ng deflating, good to. Okay. Ito yung pinaka-strong sa lahat, no? Na pack na nakuha natin. Ito, okay to, bad omen. So, kahit rare card. Dalawa tayo nito, no? Saka yung from life and death. Okay. Ito yung pack number 2. Pack number 3, medyo itong from shadows lang. Ito alam ko uncommon lang to eh. Okay. Tapos dito si Trug sa number 4, saka si Edwards na epic. And then this one isa lang, si Trug lang. Ito medyo okay to. Hammer, from life and death, saka avenging guy. Okay. Tapos ito 4, may extra din tayo rito. Tapos isang IR na contender na clarity, Edwards. Okay. So ito dalawa din. Okay, so ang panalo ito. Kay Kurong pa lang okay na. So extra pa. Second place yung may Hammer. Ayun. Yun lang guys. Maraming salamat. Keep it safe. Happy hunting. May bubusan pa ako isang box. Ay isang case pero mabilis na lang yan. Kasi ito insist pa natin. Okay. Thank you.